is November something something, 20 something, and here's the problem area with the ditch that the town didn't fix properly. They just put this road gravel back in it. It's already chunked out again right here and filled with leaves and stuff. But this little channel I dug is sort of kind of working to keep water going down here and along, and then across this teensy weensy, I should have made it much wider, water bar, and right into my catchment basin, which is about to overflow. So that's definitely catching things. Just gonna clear some leaves out of here. We don't want this going into this post I just set in last night to keep the town out of here. I don't know if that's working very well. There's water coming from here too. It's not all going into my little gutter, unfortunately. It is still out of control, skipping out over that and going to low spots. So I've still got to solve that, because it will still end up, well, it's going sort of in the right direction, but we don't want it going this way. That's right towards the water. We want it going all into that catchment basin, and I mean, most of it is. There's still some over here that's coming off the road and going where we don't want it over here. So that sucks. Yeah. I don't know how to make this go this way without grabbing the shovel. So, I mean, this is a mess right here. Just doing this with my feet isn't too effective. But I get the idea. We want it going down this way, but we don't want to make a ice skate right here, because my neighbors further down the road here aren't going to appreciate that, and neither am I if I ever actually get to move over here. But here's my little hand-dug ditch, because the town wouldn't do anything. And yeah, it's not catching all the water, but we're trying here. We are trying. Maybe if I do this, that'll help a little bit. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay, we just got another stream going this way. I mean, I'm not one to mess with the road, but the road's really fucked up here by not putting bigger rocks in. I mean, ideally you would put a water bar up there right before that bump, and then you would send it down the other side of the road in a ditch to the fucking culvert down here that they replaced. But no, they won't listen to me, so to protect my own land, I've had to make a few little adjustments here on my own time and dime. I'm not too thrilled about that, but yeah. Yeah, with a few adjustments, I think this can... Wow, now it's really got a stream of water heading down here. I want to make sure this can handle it and it doesn't skip out. It ended up going in the wrong direction again. The road out. Oops. That stick is causing problems. Okay. Yeah, so as planned, we're going down here and across the road. Need to make that about twice as wide. And into our catchment ditch. Yay! So, alright. Here we have our catchment ditch. And it is overflowing into the spillway as intended. And it is eroding the spillway because it's not lined with rocks yet. But we are definitely capturing water from the road. We are catching it and holding it, and then we are infiltrating it back into the ground here, away from my springs and ponds over back here, which was the intended goal. So, yay. The next thing I'm probably filming is the pond berm to the pond that the second pond, pond 2, that the excavator guy dug without me, and I'm expecting the pond to be completely done. I think it completely collapsed and the berm's probably broken. So let's go see.